This is the appliance dashboard, and from here we can do a number of different things. The first thing I want to show is the ability to search for files. The most common kind of recovery that MSPs do for their clients is to recover files that have been deleted. And if we look at what most MSPs do in order to do that, they'll mount an image, take a look through that data, find out potentially that the file isn't in that image, and then they have to continue to go through and mount different images until they get to a point where they find the file that the client's looking for. With Unitrends MSP, we simply click on Search Files, select a server, and in this case we're going to look for MSI files. We can use wildcards in case the client doesn't remember the entire file name. And as we get the data back for all the MSIs on this machine, we could select one here, click Next, and actually recover it to that machine with full NTFS permissions.